Before we even start, if you care about understanding how money is changing in real time, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks cash is forever. Because what I'm about to show you, most people are completely missing. You're not preparing for a digital future. You're already living in one. And the craziest part, most people haven't even noticed. Let me wake you up. There was a time when almost every home had a landline phone. We're talking 95% of households. That was normal. That was the system. Now, that number is closer to 25%. Nobody forced the switch. Nobody made an announcement. It just happened. Now look at communication. At one point, 95% of messages were sent through mail, letters, paper, stamps. Today, over 90% is digital. Email, text, instant, same pattern. Now entertainment. Cable TV used to dominate over 80% of households. That was the system. Now, streaming is over 80%. Cable is dropping below 40%. If you're starting to see the pattern, drop a comment right now. I see it. And if you want the full breakdown of how this connects to money, I put together a free guide. Link is in the description. Now let's talk about the one people think is different, money. Cash used to be 60 to 70% of all transactions. That was the system. Today, it's around 14%. 14. And nearly half of Americans don't even use cash in a typical week. We didn't lose cash overnight. We replaced it, just like landlines, just like mail, just like cable. And here's the part nobody is saying clearly. Every system that went digital never went back, not one. So why would money be different? It's not. You're watching the same shift happen in real time. But because it's comfortable, because it's convenient, you don't question it. You adapt, you accept, you keep moving. That's what sleepwalking looks like. Not chaos, not panic, just quiet change until everything is different. So now the real question is, are you just using the system or do you actually understand it? If you're ready to go deeper, download the free guide below and join the community on Skool, where we break this down step by step. Because the people who understand the shift early don't just survive it, they position themselves to win. And if every system in your life has already gone digital, what makes you think money won't finish the same path?